a simple double exposure effect that you can create in Snapseed. Alright, so in this tutorial I want to take you through how to come up with this simple double exposure effect in Snapseed. Hey, this is 𝑔𝑗𝑻𝑧 here from Serene Art, and if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, because on this channel we learn basically how to design graphics with our smartphone and how to edit videos with our smartphone. So without further ado, let's just jump into this straightforward. Okay, so what we have to do now is to tap on the plus icon here and go ahead to import our picture that we want to use for this particular tutorial. Okay, the picture that we want to add a double exposure effect to. Okay, so now if you've imported a picture like this, you can go ahead and start with your editing. Okay, but if you want to add other effects to it, you can come to, let's say, portrait and stuff, smooth and stuff over here. If you want to add it, you can add it, but in this tutorial we are not going to do that. So we just have to go straight forward, tap on the edit icon. Take note, if you turn your phone into landscape just like my own over here, you will see this editing icon just like the pencil icon, you will see it. But if your phone is in portrait, you will see tools, so you have to tap on tools. Okay, you will not see this editing icon here, you will see what we call tools, so that's where you have to tap on. All right, so let me tap on this editing icon, and from here I'll go straight to double exposure. All right, so I just have to scroll down, tap on double exposure. Once I get double exposure right here, the next thing for me to do is to tap on this icon, which is like a picture icon. Okay, then I'll bring in the second image that I want to use. Okay, so I'll just select this image right here. Okay, you see I've brought in the image and you can see how it is appearing right here. Okay, so I just have to position it the way I want it to appear after I apply the double exposure effect. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. I'm using my two fingers to zoom in and out, okay, so that I get a perfect view. All right, so once I am okay with a view like this, what I have to do is to just go ahead and work on opacity. If I want it to be 100%, I can put it there. If I want it to be like 50%, I can put it there. So let me just leave it here like this, and I'll tap on a check mark. So once I've tapped on the check mark, this is how it's going to appear. All right, so after this I'll tap on this layer icon, then go to view edits. All right, so from view edits you tap on this double exposure, you tap on this arrow, then tap on the brush sign here. Now this is why you have to do the magic. You could say that we have 100% double exposure here, and if you tap on this down arrow, you will bring it down to 0. If you tap on the up one, you can raise it up to 100%. So from here you just have to brush on your subject. Okay, just brush on your subject and the double exposure effect will be applied. Okay, so you just have to be going through or changing the values of the double exposure. Okay, so right now I'm using 100, so let me just go ahead and do it this way. Okay, this is 100. Right now I'll decrease it to, let's say, 75 or 50 here. I think 50 is cool, and I'll just do it like this. Okay, so I want to erase some part of it, so I'll bring it down to 0 and increase the size of my subject. Okay, and clean some parts of it since I don't literally need those parts. Okay, so you just have to be zooming in and zooming out to get a perfect view. I hope you got that clear. Okay, so if you are okay with this, you can leave it like this. Okay, so all that you have to do is to tap on a check mark here, and this is what you are going to have. Okay, and if you are okay with this, then you just have to save a copy of it. Okay, if you are okay with this, you just have to save a copy of this. So you just tap on the download icon showing down here. Okay, like I said again, if you are using it in a portrait mode, if you're using the app in a portrait mode, this download icon will not appear here. Rather, you will see what we call export. So just tap on it and save a copy to your phone. All right, and that's all. So basically, this is how to apply a double exposure effect in Snapseed. All right, Snapseed is a very cool photo editing application. I'll leave the link in the description so that you go ahead and download it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next one. Let's up.